Okay, long day today. How many people do you see?
At least 5,000 or so.
At least.
Maybe more.
20-hour day. And you know, you'd think you'd be excited, but you knew you had to look for a python clutch. And you got one. And you go, oh. And then your daughter goes, oh, can't we pull it tomorrow? Nope, because we're python breeders. We work hard to get the eggs that are inside these guys. And we want to get them pulled away. This is a Mainland. I know a lot of you guys are going, Mainland? Why is it so small? I'll tell you why it's so small. Because we chose to keep it small. It's our first year. Let me see. Got a few infertils in there. But the good news is we got some fertiles too. Not a perfect clutch. But she definitely isn't been held much. I'm trying to get her off her clutch, but I don't know, I'm tired. That looks like a job. I want to make a fast video. So today we did a thing called, what's the name of that place? It's
Dream Center.
My brain is fried, guys. Went to the Dream Center. They gave away about 2,000 backpacks to inner city children. And everybody got a reptile. Got a pet of reptile and hold a python. And boy, a lot of first timers. They had a great time. Then we went down to the city of Fountain Valley. And we had something I've never done before. It was dark. Now that, she laid a nice little clutch. I'll put her away, but she still had like 2, 4, 6, 7 infertils. Kind of a bummer. She was young, her first shot. About a 50-pounder. I'm going to put her away. And anyway, at the end of the day, those are good-looking eggs, right, guys? I forgot we bred it to. I think we bred it to a golden child, and we're going to have some neat-looking Sunfire golden childs we hope to. So anyway, peace out. We put up some new videos a couple days ago. You might want to watch them. A lot of stuff's been going on lately. Some of it not so good. Don't even know the truth yet. Hopefully day 5 we'll know the truth by day 6 tomorrow. And you'll know what I'm talking about if you're subscribing to our station. Peace out.